This terrific home will suit a lot of different buyers due to the flexible layout, as you have 4 bedrooms. However, there is another smaller room which is perfect as a study or 5th bedroom. You will enjoy the wonderful room off the kitchen and spacious covered deck as both overlook the leafy and private landscaped yard. There is also a huge area under the garage which could be perfect as a teenager's retreat, office, or in this case the owner uses it as an art studio. You have the added bonus of 2 of the bedrooms upstairs with 1 bathroom which can be accessed from both of these bedrooms. You will be really impressed with the storage that is available here, with a room under the house which will be the delight for all tradies, and there is also an oversized single garage with a workshop area. The location is fantastic as it is very quiet and a lovely neighbourhood, and you are only minutes to Unanderra shops. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency, JD Property Agents, and I welcome you to 61 Brendon Avenue, Farmborough Heights. I look forward to seeing you at one of my opens. Thank you for watching and bye for now.